Welcome back to TC Outdoors. Today we finally got open water. I'm going to test the new seat on my kayak and hopefully find some crappie. Stay tuned. Tim, and this channel is all about kayak fishing here in the Midwest, specifically Minnesota. And if you're returning, thank you for tuning in. We got another great one coming up here. So today I'm really excited. We finally have open water here in Minnesota. It actually happened a lot faster than everyone thought. So looks like we are on track for bass opener be out on the kayak. So that's some awesome news. If you tuned in, what would be 2 weeks ago, I had actually modified my Feel Free Moken 12.5 to I put a boat seat on it so I can get some more, get up higher off the kayak and sit a little bit more comfortably. Today I want to actually go and test that out. Being that now the seat's sitting up a little bit higher, it will be a little bit more comfortable, but at the same time it might be a little bit more tippy, so that's something I want to get out on the water today and try out and make sure that that's going to work. Hopefully I don't fall in, so we'll take it from there. But goal number one today is to get out on the water safely and test out the kayak, work out all the bugs, make sure everything's good to go for bass opener here in about 2 weeks. And then secondly, everything is closed but panfish, so today I'm also going to go out and see if I can find some crappies, maybe some bluegills, and maybe get some dinner tonight. So that's kind of the plan right now. We'll meet you back out on the water. So we made it to the lake and it is windy. Oh, look at that. I don't know if I want to go out today. I'm gonna give it a few minutes, do some game planning, and I'll see what I can come up with. Here we are, we're at lake number 2. This one looks a little bit better. Not the one I wanted to fish, but it's less wind. And there's a little protected cove. I think if I can make it across the main lake, might not be too bad. This lake does have a lot of crappies as well, but haven't had much success out here. So first time out, a little nervous, don't want to fall in. The water is freezing, but really excited to be out, get out on the water, get some fishing done. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me out there. The wind is whipping pretty good still, but I'll definitely try to talk as we get out there. But I'm gonna go get rigged up and get out there. See you in a bit. Alright, so just got to the other side of the lake here. Did actually come across a decent school of fish. I have to assume they're crappies being this shallow. So right now doing a bobber with some gulp minnows. Also, this is the first time I've tried just artificial bait, so we'll see how that works. Alright, I'll give you an update. I haven't found the fish yet, but it is beautiful out right now. I'm so happy that I came out. The seat is actually holding up great. I absolutely love it. Have sit up nice and high, so I feel really comfortable with that. It's not that tippy, so I'm really happy. It's holding up fine. I'm really excited that I put this seat on here, so I'm gonna keep on trying to find them, and I'll tune back in here in a sec. All right, so it looks like we started right where we left off last fall. Not a whole lot. Didn't find the fish right now, and of course it's raining, so not a problem though. I'm definitely happy to be back out. It's a great day out. I mean, right now it's 50 degrees. Which is a little cold on the water, but still it's great to finally be out in the kayak, out on some open water. Alright, so there it was. Didn't find the fish, but had a great time out on the water. My seat works, the kayak works fine. Got to try out my camera setup as well. That all worked. So extremely good trip, even though didn't catch any fish. Still very happy with the outcome, and I'm excited that open water is here. Definitely more to come for sure. So definitely thank you for watching. If this is something that you enjoyed, definitely give it a big thumbs up, and if it's something you want to see more of, subscribe. This is Tim with TC Outdoors, and we'll see you next week.